Wow. Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Mirko and Dema, and today in another episode of a regular kitchen slash bar, we are going to show you how to make an eternal classic, which is old-fashioned. It's a very good cocktail, very classy one, and it will get you there in no matter, like in no time. And if there, you know what I mean. And just while you're here, guys, just hit the subscribe button. That will help us a lot. And without further ado, I suppose we can
do stuff. Let's do stuff.
Let's do stuff! So, what do you need to make an old-fashioned? You need 3/4 ingredients.
Because you talk too much.
That is extremely rude. So you need obviously whiskey. You will need Angostura bitters, you will need some orange, you will need some sugar, and in this case we're gonna use Luxardo Maraschino. What? We're gonna use Luxardo Maraschino to give a little bit of flavor. And let's start off straight away.
Mixing glass.
You can use a shaker if you want, or a very big glass if you don't have a mixing glass.
I do 1.5 teaspoons of sugar.
Sugar, not too much. You don't want it to be too sweet, unless you really like it sweet. Then there is another.
Like Mirko, for example. Okay, so then we use a spoon of Maraschino.
A teaspoon of Maraschino. In this case, we're gonna use 2.
We're making 2, so a big teaspoon.
Make sure it drops more, like it goes.
I know what I'm doing, so. And we use Angostura bitters because we don't have any others, so.
I would say 4 drops.
That's too far.
And then you wanna start to mix a little bit the sugar with the Angostura, just so that the Angostura melts. Sorry, that the sugar melts and the Angostura gets the flavor, you know.
Should we put a bit of orange squeeze, maybe?
You can, yes, of course, you can.
So we will do that. Just a little bit. It's like a wedge, I think.
Give it a good mix, just to make sure that the sugar again melts properly. And then we're gonna add the magic.
So this will take a bit. Commercial break!
Very well, so we mix a little bit the orange and the Angostura and the sugar, and now
it's
we're
not
about...
really melted though, so we will put whiskey. Whiskey, and then we will try to mix it again.
So for one old-fashioned, you're looking at 8 ounces of cuts.
8 ounces.
2 ounces of whiskey, in this case is about 55 to 60 ml. So we're gonna make it 2. So we're gonna put 4 ounces, which is 2 bubble 8. The reason why I say 2 bubble 8 is because I'm about to show you how to do a proper pour, like, you know, like a proper bartender pour, right? So let's count together. Mr. From bubble, yeah? Bubble, 2, 3, all that. Oh, hey! And this is how the magic happens, guys. Like, if you're wet, just keep it in your pants, okay? Achoo.
Doesn't make sense, does it? If you're wet, you're a girl, so you don't. What are you keeping?
Keep it whatever you wet with, guys. You can have a wet willy. Wet willy.
Guys, we would use a bar spoon, but we don't have any, so.
This is a regular kitchen, guys. In this case, a regular bar, not a professional bar. Although I think we should buy a bar spoon. What do you think? That would be nice. We're gonna add some ice now. This will dilute the old-fashioned and chill it at the same time. And please, would you like to do the honors? Beautiful. Meanwhile, she does this. We're gonna start to put some ice in our glasses.
Why are you so close?
Fill up the old-fashioned glass. Remember, guys, 3 ice cubes coming out of the glass is the right. Inside joke, anyone?
If it's too strong, you can always
mix it a little bit more. No one is gonna stop you.
In the glass.
Mmm. 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 So guys, when you put it the proper way and you reach the right amount in the glass, thank you. It's a sexy pour, a sexy pour. And you will garnish with an orange wedge.
Which orange twist. So you take an orange, you peel a bit, you do.
Do we have it already done?
We don't have an orange twist.
We don't have proper oranges. Our oranges are a month and a half old, so they're very squishy.
So you cannot peel them yet.
So we are just gonna,
Yeah.
And that's it, guys. This is how you make an old fashioned. If you don't have any of the ingredients over here, just put some ice and whiskey together, and that's it. If you enjoyed the video today, please hit the like, subscribe, and all that stuff. The comment, please comment and share it with your friends to let them know that you are a person that knows their drinks and they know how to make a cocktail. And remember to check us out on Instagram and Twitter and Pinterest if you want. And I think we will see you soon.
E cin cin.
Oh, he's banging.
Right?
Hold on.